What's up, guys? Welcome to the next module. So in this module, we're going to talk about selecting your cleaning niche. When selecting your cleaning niche in the cleaning industry, I like to tell people you want to pick a niche that's going to access your strength or your team's strengths. Then you also want to know what your weaknesses is and then what you prefer as a business owner. So we want to be able to put our team's in a right position to succeed. So we want to know the strengths, the weaknesses, and what we prefer as a business owner. It's the first thing we want to do when we select a cleaning niche. We don't want to select a residential cleaning if we don't like cleaning in people's houses. We don't want to select restroom cleaning if we don't like cleaning toilets. So just be mindful of that. And then the next thing when selecting a niche, I want you to be able to research that competition in the market in the area. Like go on, I like to go through websites. I like to go through Craigslist, Yellow Pages, and then I like to see what other cleaning companies are doing. And then I see what niche they're in, and then I like to see what skill set that they have to be able to operate in that niche. And then let's look at some of the niches. You got window and blind cleaning. You got pressure washing. You got restroom cleaning. You got ceiling and wall cleaning. You got move in, move out, which is when I first started out in, which also I did um, stripping and waxing floors. You also got post-trauma crime scene cleanup. This is not for the faint of heart. So we have a lot of different niches, but if you don't like seeing gruesome things and blood, you don't want to do post-trauma and crime scene cleanup. All these different niches pays a lot of money in the cleaning industry. You can make money in this cleaning industry. And what I tell everyone, money is not the objective when starting a cleaning company. I know a lot of people like, oh, well, I want to make money. Yes, we're going to make money, but you have to get good at your craft. And when you get good at your craft, the money will come. Trust me, the money will come in this industry when you get good at your craft. So in order to get good at your craft, you have to select, I say, one niche, get really good at that niche, and then you move on to another one once you master that niche. So I'll call that master and duplicate. So take some time, assess your strengths, your weaknesses, and what you prefer as a cleaner. Start doing some market research and look at all the different niches and select one. Come on, y'all, let's go. I'll see y'all in the next module.